Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Before making this video, I did ask you on Instagram as a poll voting thing what you want to see next. I gave you two options, either Toy Story balloon garland or do-it-yourself double stuffed balloon garland, and you guys voted. Most of you want to see DIY double stuffed balloon garland, so excited to do that. It's gonna take a little bit longer than usual, but it's going to be fun. All of my balloons came from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. I love that website, you guys. They do have a lot of balloons, types of balloons, different companies' balloons, other supplies for your parties. Go ahead and check them out. If you're a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, you can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off. This is an affiliate code. You don't have to use it, or go ahead, use it. It's up to you. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video. All the balloon count, everything that you need to know. Go check the description under the video. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is my color palette for today. I am using 5, 11, and 16-inch Qualitix balloons. Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, they do have many more choices of balloon brands. Go check them out. You will be surprised at the amount of choices that they have. I am using spring green, blush, pink, and white. I am planning to stuff my colorful balloons with my white to make my colorful balloons more pastel looking. On top of these balloons, I am using electric balloon pump, which is a must in this situation of double stuffing. I am using 20 or 30 pound fishing line, balloon tying tool, maybe, I'm not sure yet. And if something else is gonna be used, I will let you know throughout this video. Before we're gonna blow our balloons, so we need to obviously stuff them. I have this piece of foam that I used for my cake pops, so it's looking pretty sad. I am using these cake pop wooden sticks. I have skewers somewhere, but I have no idea where I put them. And I am literally putting these wooden sticks into my foam. That will serve us as a base to stuff our balloons. It's gonna be easier and faster. To stuff our balloons, I am taking colorful balloons first. I am putting them right on my skewer, just like that. I am taking my white ones and placing them right on top of my colorful balloons and taking them off. And now we have double stuffed balloons. Go wash your hands. Ew. Go, 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 go. Alrighty guys, I am ready to blow all of my balloons. Thanks to my daughter Nicole, I was able to finish this a little bit faster, like double stuffing my balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. I decided not to mix in colors and sizes in my balloon garland, so I am blowing one color at a time and one size at a time. So I'm taking two balloons. I'm taking pink right now and I'm blowing them at the same time. As soon as you're done blowing your balloons, press them against the floor to give them more rounder shape, and then tie them together into a pair like this. And look at this beautiful pastel, very pretty pink. If you want more brighter color, then you need to use more brighter pink underneath the white one. So I'm excited to see what I'm gonna come up with. So let's go. Let me quickly show you how I blow my double stuffed 5-inch balloons, because they can be a little bit stubborn when you decide to blow them. If you have trouble blowing your 5-inch double stuffed balloons, just pull your balloons up. Make sure you grab 2 balloons, and that way you're gonna give your balloon a little bit of stretch and it will blow up easier. Ready to build my balloon garland. I am using 30-pound fishing line today just because I started this 30-pound spoolie and I want to finish it. So I am taking this 30-pound fishing line and tying it to my first pair. As I was looking at the colors sitting on the couch and looking at the spile, I decided that I wanted to mix colors up and create this multicolored, mixed colored balloon garland. So I tied my first balloon pair. Now I am taking my second pair and putting it right on top of my first one. And to keep my pairs really nice and tight together, I am pinching my pairs with my fingers, just like that, taking my fishing line and wrapping my fishing line around newly placed balloon once. Pull on my fishing line and push these 2 pairs together. And then again, taking my fishing line and wrapping around another newly placed balloon. Push your pairs together and pull on your fishing line. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line. Fishing line can't cut your balloons. Even curling ribbon can't cut your balloons. And you can cut your fingers where you take a hold of your fishing line and trying to put some pressure. As you can see here, you can accidentally cut your skin. So be careful, and that's basically all you do, and that's how you wrap. If you see your balloons are starting to kind of separate and they're not as tight together, pinch your balloons again and wrap your balloons again multiple times or a couple of times to ensure they will stay close together. So let's build the rest of our balloon garland. I am working with 11-inch balloons only. I am leaving my 16 and 5-inch balloons aside. I will deal with them later. I want to build and fill in spaces with them later. Secure your balloon garland. Cut a long piece of fishing line, hold it with one hand, with your other hand get this tail and wrap around one of the balloons. Now you created this loop over here. Take the tail and feed it through the loop. Pull on your tail, and that way you're creating knots and you're securing your balloon garland. Do that a couple or a few times just to make sure your balloons won't go anywhere. All right, looking pretty cute. I am loving this whole thing. Now I want to change this column shape into something different, so I need to play around with my balloons. Just switch places, just like that, and your balloon garland will take a different kind of shape and curves, and it will look more organic. All right, so much better. I'm loving this. Here is how I attached my balloon garland: command hooks, a little fishing line. Here is another command hook right here and right there. So 3 spots where I tied my balloon garland. Alright guys, my balloon garland is attached. I like what I see. Now fun part begins. So I am taking my low temperature glue gun and I am starting to build my balloon garland, to build shape and fill in spaces and make it even more prettier. I do receive a lot of questions. What do I prefer better, glue dots or low temperature glue gun? I can tell you right now, hands down, low temperature glue gun. With my glue gun, I know for sure that my balloons will stay put on one spot for a long time until I decide to take that balloon garland down. Glue dots are great as well, as long as you use a lot of glue dots per one balloon. I did show you in my Instagram stories update on one of my balloon garlands that I made on Friday, and I showed you what happened to it on Sunday. Balloons were perfectly fine, blowing, nothing popped, deflated, but everything that was on the garland, everything fell, everything was on the floor, and it was just like, come on. So hands down, a low temperature glue gun. Here is what I am planning to do with my pairs of extra balloons. I am not pairing all of them because I think I might have some leftover balloons, and I want to make a little piece, like little short balloon garland, and place it somewhere up top. We'll see. But I am taking two different colors pairs, and I am intertwining them together to create quads like these. So let's take our low temperature glue gun and let's make this happen. What I have for you guys today. This is my take on this do-it-yourself double stuffed balloon garland. I am loving these colors that I got from double stuffing my balloons. If you want your balloons to be brighter, then use brighter colored balloons. I hope that makes sense. And then stuff them in white balloons. Thank you again, Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company, for sending me these amazing balloons. I love Qualitix, good quality balloons, and I am sure that they won't go anywhere. Overall, I lost about five balloons while I was blowing them. They just popped on me. As you saw me do it, I used a 30-pound fishing line and low temperature glue gun to construct this whole setup. Everything you would need to know about this balloon garland, I will link and list in the description under the video. I also attached my balloon garlands with fishing line and command hooks. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands. In that video, I shown up close how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks or using fabric and backdrop frame. Alright, you guys, I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Guess what, you guys? I'm not done. I thought I was done with this whole installation. I am in love with the colors. Everything that I see here, shape, everything is like exactly what I love in my balloon garlands. But while I was editing this video, I couldn't stop thinking about adding some kind of other color, like a pop of color, and I found these orbs balloons in 16-inch. I am loving what they bring to this installation, you guys. I wish I had smaller balloons, like 7-inch orbs balloons, but I only had 16. So I will be blowing my 16-inch orbs balloons with my hand pump or cool electric balloon pump to avoid melting that plastic insert that all of the orbs balloons have. I will use my low temperature glue gun or lots of glue dots to attach these balloons. And yeah, you guys, I cannot wait to see how this installation will look like with lots of green pop-up colors. So let's go, let's do it. Your orbs balloons, you guys, you have to inflate these balloons until your seams won't have any wrinkles, but be careful. If you overblow them, they will explode on you. So here's what I did here. I started blowing my balloon with my cool electric balloon pump, but then to avoid pumping more air than this balloon needs, I decided to finish it off with my hand pump to kind of smooth my wrinkles over there. Looks pretty good in my opinion. I don't want this balloon to pop because I already popped one. I overinflated it, so be careful with these. And that's it, you guys. As I said, I wish I had smaller orbs balloons in the same green, but unfortunately I don't have them. In my opinion, it looks a lot more fresher and brighter and better. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this double stuffed balloon garland. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!